Buscalan.
Going to Buscalan.
One of the funnest parts of the trip is riding this car.
Lift top of buckle.
Guys, we finally made it here to Manila, and next step is getting us a ride to go pick up our friends from Las Vegas. They got here earlier today. Made it to the bus station here in Pasay, Manila, and our bus is right there. Say hi, everybody. Yeah, so they're gonna be coming with us, and I think we're just checking out some of the snacks right here. Looks like they got some show pals, some hot dogs, cups of noodles. Can't go wrong here. So if you don't come with some food, there's plenty here.
Hello guys, good morning. We just got into our bus, so this is actually like a sleeper bus here, which is really cool. I like it. You can sleep inside. There's always like there's also like a room light here. Yeah, and then a space for food, and of course the AC here, and with the light. So we're gonna be leaving by 2:15. So I have with me Lucas and his friends.
Hi, it's so cozy in here. I hit my head.
We've decided to take this.
Yeah, it's a much bigger seat in the back. Like, I just went and looked at the seat that was over there, and it's so narrow. So
Told you.
I think my wide body's gonna need this one. Good morning. It is 5:51 in the morning. We left at 2:15 in the morning, and we're getting pretty close to Baguio. And let me tell you, these views are amazing. So far, riding this bus has been a pretty cool experience. I got to ride on the very back seat. It's a lot wider. It's supposed to be reserved for the bus driver. And let me tell you, it's it's the way to be. The seats up front are a lot more narrow for a guy my size, 6 foot tall, and definitely gets more room back up here. Sheila got one of the normal size seats. What was that like?
But I'm here right now.
Yeah, it's like totally encroached in my space. This bus ride isn't that bad. Basically what woke me up was, now that we're up here on the mountain, the road's just going side to side, so I'm just going, bouncing back and forth. Right? It's really sleep. Is your seat comfortable?
Oh yeah. Like after I ate my food, I fell asleep, and then like I woke up already on the zigzag part. So it means to say like I like my place. It's comfortable.
Excellent.
It's good.
Welcome to Baguio, guys. We're finally here. We're gonna go find our cab next. We're gonna go grab some breakfast. We came in a little early, which is nice. We came in actually about an hour and a half early. So that's gonna give us some time to get our food before we go get our van. And then from there, we're rolling out and we're continuing on to Buscalan to go meet Whang-Od.
We're going to Good Taste, Burnham. So we're riding a taxi right now going there. So I'm with Lucas and his friends.
Please play
Hey, we're done with our breakfast in Good Day, and it was like a total of 1,040. So we had lumpia Shanghai, or Shanghai lumpia, and then chicken chop suey. So it was really good. So we're now gonna go to Ian Clean. It's like a terminal going to Buntok. So are you guys excited?
Oh, absolutely.
I like the vibe.
So we definitely arrived at our next stop is to get on a van for the next leg of the journey. which is going to take about 5 hours. So, but we can't leave until the van is filled up. So I'm here with Adriana and Jaden right now. Sheila's hanging on to our seats because we were told just down the road, there was like a fruit stand. We wanted to get some fruit. But I feel like we're getting about a quarter mile away here and we haven't seen any of that. So wish us luck. Well, no luck on the fruit. So we're walking back to the van center and we'll get this party started, start getting out of here.
Just arrived here in Bontoc Jeepney Terminal, but sadly we're not able to see the jeepney here anymore, like going to Buscalan. So what we're gonna do is rent out a tricycle going there. So it's gonna be, I guess, 2 hours. So we're trying to talk to this tricycle driver. So it's gonna be 1,500 per tricycle. So since we're 4, we're not gonna fit in one tricycle. So we need 2. So we're just waiting for him.
So we were fortunate enough to find a couple of trike drivers that would take all 4 of us. We got me and Sheila here. I don't know if you can see her back there. There she is. And then I got my friends from Vegas, Adrian and Jaden, up front in the next trike.
Two hours later.
He's gonna stomp on the gas, and Sheila's gonna go flying up the hill. Woo!
Going to Buscalan of Luzon.
All right, looks like the cart's coming back down. It's my turn to jump on, and we're gonna shoot up the mountain. All right, we're loaded up, and I got my seatbelt here, a rope. So yeah, let's see how this goes. And away we go. So far, one of the funnest parts of the trip is riding this car. Beats hiking the trail. Okay, so we're now officially in Whang-Od's village right now.
I'm so happy.
Yeah, this is so much fun. What'd you think of that cable car ride?
Huh?
What'd you think of the cable car ride?
Oh my god, it was so fun, but I was like, oh, how I
Were
wish
you
I'm
shaking?
being a little, yeah, how I wish I'm able to like reach the end part, you know? So I took a video. But it was an awesome experience, guys.
Yeah, I thought it was really fun. Definitely worth the 200 pesos to ride. We looked it up on Google. It said 250.
It's
But
cheaper
200,
now.
yeah, it's cheaper now. It's 200 pesos to ride. It's a steal. It's the best way to do it, if you ask me. I mean, if you want to get the steps in and you want to do the hike, that's another great way to do it too. But let me tell you, the cable car, way more fun.
Easiest way.
Yeah, easiest way. Seconds, less than a minute.
Oh,
I didn't even think it took a full minute to get up here.
yeah.
Yeah, I think it took less than a minute. But right now we're waiting for Jade and Adriana, and we'll get back to you.
Guys, how's the hiking?
Made me realize I need to do more cardio.
Your perspiration, Adriana, tells another story.
Napagod si Kuya, oh.
What's up, man?
Okay. We're all here.
Chickens!
Good afternoon. So we're pretty excited for tomorrow because Ate Annalyn told us that we are number 39. So we're still lucky having that number because we all know that there are a lot of people coming here, especially during weekend. Oh my gosh. Welcome to our homestay. We're here, guys.
How are you?
Good afternoon.
I'm sweaty.
I didn't even know.
Cheers.
Buscalan.
That's good coffee. So they have their own coffee up here too, right? They grow their own coffee up here?
They're selling coffee.
Right now, we're gonna go down to have our tattoo with Apo Whang-Od. We're number 39. Time check. What time is it now, honey? 6:30? Or almost 7 actually, because I just had my alarm 6:30. Good morning!
Morning, guys.
Look at the view, guys. Good morning.
Good morning. How you guys doing?
So like this is the way going to Apo Whang-Od's tattoo area. So what's the update there? Sige lang. So we're here already.
Hey, one by one.
Hi. This is Ate Annalyn, our guide. You're so pretty. Are we married? No. Boyfriend, girlfriend. A lot.
No complaints.
Ate, anong masarap?
Pizza. Masarap.
Yes. Yes. Thank you. I'm done having a tattoo with Whang-Od. So right now, I'm gonna go with Ate. Ate,
Yes.
where are we gonna go?
We go buy ice cream.
Sila kuya, dalawa.
Hey, ice cream kayo.
So that was a real fun experience. Like sitting there, getting to meet her a little bit, getting the tattoo done, getting a little touch-up done. All in all, awesome experience. And I got blessed by Whang-Od, by the famous grab that she does. It's just, you know, sometimes you just gotta lean into it, right? Go all the way.
Asked me, "Are you guys married?" And I said, "No, boyfriend and girlfriend." And then I know that she's gonna touch.
Yeah, I kind of saw that coming, especially when she put her fingers around that stick and did the, you know, the motion.
Great! We're done packing our things, and it's sad to say that we're leaving Buscalan. But the happy part is we're able to have our tattoo with Whang-Od. And for Lucas here, the 3 dots signature, the signature tattoo of Apo Whang-Od. Alrighty guys, it's so funny because I saw Lucas. He's walking with us, and then I realized, hey, are you not gonna ride a cable car? So he's here right now.
No, I thought she was gonna walk us over the cable car first, but so it looks like I'm hiking out now. I'm too far in. It's like 15 minutes back that way, so we're going.
I'm sorry we're so low.
Hold on, guys. Let's see if this is a Makahiya plant.
No, that's not sleeping grass.
It's closing.
You're going
too slow.
Oh, it's not. How's the hike, babe?
Well, we're moving.
Oh my gosh. Maybe this is the start of our journey that you're gonna go with me every time I go on hike. I love that laugh. Like, ha! Sounds like you don't want it.
I'm okay. I used to love hiking. I just don't really do it much anymore.
This is the exciting part. We're gonna cross the bridge. It's bouncing, guys. We're there already, honey. And this is the most exciting part. I get so weak in the knees.
So here we are saying our final goodbyes, and just so everyone knows, right here, Anna Lynn. This is who you contact, Anna Lynn, the best guide.
Highly recommended.
Highly recommended. And no jokes. Like if you try and come here and come in, they're gonna kick you out unless you get hurt. Okay, so get that right. We've made it back to Bactan now. We just gotta find a ride back to Baguio. All right, guys, so we made it to Bactan, but let me tell you how we got to Buscalan. It's these two gentlemen right here, Esper and Albert, and what they do is they run rides all the way up to Buscalan and back. So round trip, 3,000 pesos, 1,500 pesos there, 1,500 pesos back. These guys will get you there, I promise. And just so you know what their trikes look like, we got Albert right here. Okay, recognize that, all right? Remember that one, and then we got one more right here. Now wait for this car to get out of the way. And this is Esper's right here. Excellent. So remember these faces right here. These guys will get you there. Say what's up, man. Well, here we are. We got our ride, and we're heading back to Baguio. So just to give you a heads up, this is about a 5-hour ride. So make sure the ride you're getting is comfortable. Get a little leg room, and you'll be just fine. Well, we're here in Baguio now. We finally got here, and we just had to chase down a couple of different bus liners to get our friends from Vegas back to Manila to catch their flight to Cebu. And it was hectic, but there they are on the bus, getting ready to get out of here. It looks like they're having a squawk right now on who's gonna sit next to the window. They're sitting on the other side? Yeah.